When it comes to commercial repair and installation services in Fredericton, look no further than HousePro Handyman Services. We're your local hub for all your commercial property needs, serving Fredericton, Oromocto, Woodstock, St. John, and neighboring areas. At HousePro Handyman Services, we pride ourselves on delivering prompt and professional commercial repair and installation services that consistently surpass expectations. As your premier handyman solution, we have the expertise to handle a wide range of tasks, from shelving and organization system installations to comprehensive interior and exterior renovations and remodeling. You can have complete confidence in our licensed and insured team to deliver top-quality commercial services precisely when you need them. We take pride in offering same-day and next-day service, along with free consultations and quotes. Don't wait any longer. Contact HousePro Handyman Services today at 506-406-0919. Let us help you transform your property into a thriving, efficient, and inviting space.